My name is Oluwakayode Jasanya. I'm a student in Dr. Kofi Yako's EEGR 415 class, and I'm here to explain how the assignment 2 works. This is the assignment here, and this is my Java code here. So I put my name and everything here. So I first imported the Java classes that I'm going to need for the project, and I call my class, or the Java libraries, and then I call my class assignment 2. Then I declare my variables calc distance 1, calc distance 2, calc distance. Then in my main function I have my functions that I'm gonna allude to in other part of the assignment. So in the input, in the show input dialog function, I declared my variables. Then I use the scanner how to enter strings and characters and variables from the user, and then I use the switch case to control how I want the user to, or what I want to make happen when the user presses 1, 2, 3, or 4. Then I also have my excuse me, my default statement, which shows invalid row type, and I use system.exit.0 to break the chain if the user enters something that is not within the bracket. Then I went to the second question which I was asked, and in the question I got the numbers of revolution for row 1, 2, and 3 from the user, and then I recorded that. Then I printed out the true distance traveled from what the user gives, and then I calculated the distance using 2 by radius, which has been declared already, multiplied by pi, which I chose as 3.1415 excuse me, multiplied by the revolution, and the computer displays that in the program. Then for the other function I declared, which is show message dialog, I calculated for average distance, encoder error, and the encoder error is absolute value of the average distance subtracted from the distance that's entered by the user. So in essence, the encoder error is average distance, which is this here, minus the distance which is entered by the user. And then I did it exactly as it was in the question, and I used system.out format to make it to significant figure for the first one as it was on the paper, and same for that to 1 significant figure for the other one. And from there I decided to get my encoder quality. There were 3 conditions that I was meant to add air to, and one of them was if it was less than or equal to 0.5, it's pretty out good. If it was between 0.5 and 1, average, and if it was, and everything else, it's poor. So when I decided to run the code, I get this. So according to the values given and the one given by the professor were row type 2, revolution 10, then second 11, the next is 10, and 1, 3, 5, 4, and this was what I got, and this is same as what the professor gave here. Exactly the same values and the same things. That's what I have here. Thank you very much.